Okay, so welcome to today's video. If you've ordered a Louis Vuitton Messenger Trio bag, then this is what you can expect when you receive your order. So let's unbox it today. It's a very beautifully designed box, of course, very premium, thick, high quality. There's some information for you to read before you actually get into the box. This is actually a blank card in a small envelope actually, so that's also attached on there. You can just untie these strings and let's have a look inside. So we have the official Louis Vuitton dust bag. This can be used to store your bag to stop obviously dust accumulating, scratches while it's being stored, so that's very nice, very soft. Underneath you have this magazine, it's the Louis Vuitton, I think this is issue number 15. I'm not sure how frequently they provide the new issues, but that's number 15 here. And let's take a look at the bag. Beautiful, beautiful bag, very high quality. Okay, so that's enough of my voice annoying you, so I'm going to leave you guys to have a look at some final clips. Let me know what you think of this bag and enjoy the music and the rest of these clips.